Children, let's start with exercise 13.2. In exercise 13.2, we will be concerning with the surface area of the cylinder. We know this is exercise 13.2. You know curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h, right? And total curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h plus pi r square of the top, pi r square of the bottom. It will be 2 pi r square. You can say 2 pi r common. In the bracket left will be h plus r, right? This is a cylinder, right? Its curved surface area is 2 pi r h, pi r square of the bottom, pi r square of the top. It becomes 2 pi r square. Clear? Come to question number 1. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter, height is 14 centimeter, right, is 88 centimeter square. Yani curved surface area of this height cylinder is 88 centimeter square, and you have to find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Very easy, children. Here you know the curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r into h. Here if h, h is given 14, curved surface area is given 88 is equal to 2, pi is 22 by 7 into r you have to find, and height is 14. For finding r, it's 7 on the 7 to the. For finding r, this 88, 2 will come down, 22 will come down, and this 2 will also come down. 22 for the 2 to the 2 to the 1, okay? 2 on the 2. It come out to be 1 centimeter. Now beta radius is 1 centimeter, so diameter will be 2 into 1, that is 2 centimeter. We have to find diameter, so it will be 2 centimeter. Clear? Very simple question, right? Come to now question number 2. In question number 2, the statement is, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. We have to make closed. When we talk about closed, means we talk about total surface area, right? It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter. Its height is 1 meter and base diameter is 140 centimeter, right? How many square meter of sheet is required? You have to tell how many square meter of sheet is required to make this box, to make this tank. Clear? We have to find square meter. Square meter. It means you will find the curved surface area in square meter. Diameter is beta 140 centimeter. Yeah, you can say 140. Yeah, either, okay. Radius will be 140 upon 2, that is 70 centimeter. Clear? And this centimeter you convert into meter. So to convert the centimeter into meter, we divide by 100. So 7 upon 10 meter, because we know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 1 centimeter will be 1 upon 100 meter. Clear? Now we have to find the how many square meter, means we have to find curved surface area. Curved surface area total, we have to find total. Why? Because it is closed. Because it is closed, right? It is 2 pi r bracket h plus r. 2 pi is 22 upon 7, r is 7 upon 10, bracket h is 1 plus r is 7 upon 10. 7 gone, it will be 44 upon 10 into this will come out to be 17 upon 10. 17 for the 68, 6, 17 for the 68 and 4, 74 upon 100, it come out to be 7.48 meter square. Easy. We will find total surface area. Why? Because it is a closed cylinder. If it is an open cylinder, then we will be finding the curved surface area. It is a closed cylinder, so we will be finding its total surface area. Clear? Come to now calculation. Please you check, because these calculations I am doing, it might be some, that might be some error, okay, but to my up to my okay, fine, leave it. Now come to question number 3. Question number 3 is, we have a metal pipe. We have a metal pipe, and this pipe is 77 centimeter long. So height is 77 centimeter. The inner diameter of the cross section is 4 and outer diameter is 4.4. Look, this is naturally, it is a thick. It is a thick. Clear? Its inner diameter is 4 centimeter and outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. So let's see. Here we write inner diameter and here we write outer diameter. Outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter and inner diameter is 4 centimeter. So inner radius will be beta. We will divide by 2. It come out to be 2 centimeter. And outer radius will be 4.4 divided by 2. It come out to be 2.2 centimeter. So here we have to find 3 different points we have to find. First we have to find inner curved surface area, then we have to find outer curved surface area, and then we have to find total surface area. First of all, let's find inner. I am marking a demarcation line. Let's find inner curved surface area. It is 2 pi r and h. 2 pi is 22 upon 7, r is 2 and h is 77. Clear? So what you will be getting? 7 1 the 7, 11 the 11 to the 22. Clear? And this 22 multiply by 44. So what will you be getting? We will be getting as 968 centimeter square. Clear? Now let's find outer curved surface area. So outer curved surface area will be again 2 pi capital R capital H. 2 pi is 22 upon 7. Now here radius is 22 upon 10. H is 77 same. 7 1 the 7 11 the. You will multiply it all, and what answer we will be getting? We will be getting 1064.8 centimeter square. Clear? This is the first part. This is the second part. And let's come to the third part. In third part, beta, I tell you one thing. Suppose we have a pipe. Suppose this is a pipe. I take a thick notebook. Suppose this is a pipe, right? And when we find the surface area of this pipe, total surface area, we will find the inner curved surface area, we will find outer curved surface area, and also this thickness also, right? Because in case if suppose we are told that we have to paint this cylinder, so we will paint inside it complete, we will paint outside it, and this portion will also be painted. And you know this portion is circular in shape and it is in the shape of a ring. This is in the shape of a ring. So two rings will be formed. One to this side and other to this side. So how will you, what you will be doing? This is total surface area will be inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area plus area of two rings. These rings will be of this shape. Two rings. Now outer radius is 2.2 and inner radius is 2. And these are of circular shape. So देखो inner तो you have found 968. Outer you have also found 0.1064.8. And for area of two rings, what you will be doing? 2 into, better from outer area minus inner area. It will be 2 because there are two rings. Pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Outer circle minus inner circle. We will be finding this. Outer circle minus inner circle. Outer circle is pi into this, inner is pi into r square 2 square. It is 968 plus 1064.8 plus 2. Take out pi common. So when we take out pi common, 22 by 7 out. R का square means 2.2 का square minus 2 का square. So here you can use a plus b, a minus b formula. A square minus b square will be a plus b into a minus b. You can use here. And by doing this complete calculation, देखो, just look at. It is 8.2 carry 1, 3 carry 1, 0, 2 plus 44 upon 7. A plus b यानी 2.2 plus 2 into 2.2 minus 2. After complete solving, we will be getting answer 2038.08 centimeter square. 2038.08 centimeter square. This answer we will be getting. Very simple. First of all, we will find inner curved surface area, then we will find outer curved surface area, or after finding those, we have to find total. Total में inner plus outer plus 2 rings, outer ring and inner ring. So these 2 rings will be 2, क्योंकि rings are in the circular shape. Pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Pi common, that is 22/7 common. R square means capital R means 2.2 का square minus 2 का square. So a square minus b square, you will use identity a plus b into a minus b. After complete solving, we will be getting this answer. Clear? Now come to question number 4. Question number 4 is, what is question number 4? It is the diameter of a roller is, we have a roller. Which roller? We have a road roller, sort of, which level the ground. A sort of roller which level the ground. It can be any. Diameter of the roller is, this is shape of roller. You have seen the road roller and you have seen the grass roller also, so both have cylindrical shape. Diameter is 84 centimeter. Yes. Length यानी कि height is 120 centimeter. You have to, and it has to take, it takes 500 evolutions. You have to find area of playground. In meter square. We have to find area of the playground in meter square. So how you will be doing? If diameter is 84 centimeter beta, so radius is 42 centimeter. Right? Right? H यानी कि length यानी कि height both are given 120 centimeter. Let's find the curved surface area. Why curved? Because this roller, this portion only used to level the ground. This portion, not this two. So curved surface area is 2 pi r into h. 2 pi is 22/7, r is 42 and h is 120. 7 1 the 7 6 the. So multiply 132 into 240. We will be getting, don't get confused yourself, just multiply all these 4 terms and we will be getting 1584,000 centimeter square. Clear? We will be getting this. Now we will be converting into meter. And when we convert into meter, 1584, these 2 zeros 1 meter into these 2 zeros 1 meter, it will be 1584 meter square. This answer we will be getting. Clear? Sorry, I am really very sorry. Just wait. Here what you will be doing, we will be multiplying. This is 44, this is 720. This I am getting. Centimeter square. Now this is the distance covered in one revolution. it is the distance covered in one revolution. ये है आपकी, पूरी मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर रही बेटा, आई एम नॉट मल्टीप्लाइंग, आई विल मल्टीप्लाइंग द लास्ट. तो what will be distance covered in 500 revolutions? 500 into 44 into 720. This will come out to be 40 centimeter square. I am not multiplying, I am just looking at the guesswork, so that's why it was. Okay, now we will convert it into meter. These two zeros will be converted into 1 meter and these two zeros will be converted into 1 meter.